inside of the Clickfunnels platform, the new sales funnel that I'm building. If you want the checklist that I use for myself, for my clients when building and launching a sales funnel, you can get it in the description down below. It's a free checklist. It's a guide. I have a video that accompanies it, and we go through it together and kind of show you the best way. And I learned this, the best way to launch a funnel, and I learned this from one of the best, Steve Larson, who was Russell Brunson's right-hand man. Eventually, at ClickFunnels was his right-hand man, but then eventually moved on his own and has created, several multi-million-dollar businesses, launched plenty of funnels, has helped plenty of people launch their funnels successfully. I got a scholarship to his course, took his course, and this 12-step launch plan I actually got from him. So description link is down in the description. But without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is Giru. This is a funnel mapping system software that I use. It comes with your ClickFunnels membership. I think it did. They were running a special program, but now you can just get it for a lifetime access for $67, which I think is a great deal. Highly recommend that you get this for yourself. But this is what I use to map out my funnels now. It's a cool software, and you can actually simulate down here. You can simulate once you plug in all the numbers. You click simulate. Let me see if I can get it to go. Is it going to calculate? Yep, there it goes. So it kind of shows you, each step that I have in place with as many people as I plan on coming in. So total is, 14,000, and that's, I roughly estimate that over a month. Hopefully, right? That's the goal. But it's a cool software. You can simulate different scenarios and things. But here's YouTube. So I plan to get most of my traffic from YouTube. I'm a YouTube fanatic. You're here on YouTube right now, so you're probably a little bit of the same. So YouTube will be my main traffic source, but it'll come to my funnel launch checklist, which is in the description. And then there's an email sequence if it pertains to you. It'll come in it's going to offer you. So I put together an offer for the One Funnel Away challenge. That's an awesome challenge. I've been through it too. Probably I paid for it twice. Been through it many times because it comes once you order it. It comes with your. It stays in your membership area, and you can rewatch it. Anyways, the One Funnel Away challenge, best training I've ever done for as far as learning about funnels, how to build your funnel. It is. I spent probably $10,000 in education before I actually took that course, and it's only $100, and it was by far better than all the other money that I spent trying to learn from other people about funnels. So this is a bridge page, right? So I have a special offer there. I give out bonuses if you sign up with my link. That's an affiliate link. And then if you sign up for that, then it comes over here. So that's part of the plan, right? And then anybody that signs up here, they're going to get another email from me sending you over to the my ClickFunnels coaching sales funnel, which is what I'm building. This is kind of what this video is all about. So basically my backstory, I was working on Fiverr. Like I've been selling on Fiverr for probably about 4 years now. And I started on there helping people build their ClickFunnels landing pages, sales funnels, things like that. And then slowly out of nowhere, it just kind of happened. I realized that people want live one-on-one coaching, and that's what really started to blow up my business. And so with that being said, I've had a lot of success there, and I've realized that like as I progressed my education and my understanding and fundamentals of funnels and marketing, and as I've grown, I realized I have more of a service to offer too as well to my clients. So now I'm trying to put my money where my mouth is, and I'm actually going to build a funnel that pertains to helping people with their ClickFunnels, build their sales funnels, and actually with advanced strategy. And so it's been a little bit, so now I'm launching it. Here we are, January. Well, the plan was to actually launch this in December of 23, but here we are in February of 24. So I'm about 2 months behind schedule, which is terrible. But I will say this. Done is the new perfect, right? If I had lived by that motto from the beginning, I would have had a lot more done. But sometimes I think I always worry about things being perfect. I get overwhelmed with all the things that need to get done, and I feel like it's never going to get done. And then I never even take the step forward and move the needle. So my motto in 24 is move the needle. Done is the new perfect, right? Let's just keep making progress and moving forward. If you've ever gotten involved in building sales funnels, you will completely understand what I'm talking about. And that's why this the 12-step checklist that I was talking about before, which you can get right here in this stage of the funnel. And It's down in the description. It completely changed the way I did business. Like, because I was always struggling. I was like, I know I can help my clients, but I'm struggling to understand the process in which we need to do things. And then once I took Steve Larson's course and I found this, his 12-step process, I'm like, that makes so much sense. I needed that so much, and I know it's going to help a lot of people. So I put it together, and like I said, there's a video that goes along with it right here, link in the description. But let's get into ClickFunnels, and we'll start building it out. So let me minimize this page. And so this would be this is my checklist page, landing page, and then there's a thank you page with a special video message there. Not going to get into this so much right now, but it's super easy. If you want to just add a page, you can just click here. You can say, okay, I want to add a page, and you can just click from templates. You can go from your own funnel pages, an opt-in page, a thank you page, sales page, or an order page. OTO is an upsell or a downsell page. It's like where if somebody orders from you a product or something, on the next page you try to offer them another item, or if they say no, then you offer them a lower priced item. That's just funnel basics right there. But it's super easy. You just click it in, and then it's loaded, and then you can go into the editor, which I will show you. Let me expand this. Hopefully everything's in the windows, because we always have to stay away from the edges on the screen share, because it doesn't show you everything. So let's go into my list of funnels. That's one of the funnels. That's just the landing page, really. And then ClickFunnels Consulting. Okay, this was the one, right? So I got to rename this too. I believe this is the one I was working on. So this is the one where I'll kind of mimic my Fiverr gig, where I offer ClickFunnels consulting as far as like the platform goes. Yeah, I like this one. Take a quick preview. Yeah, I like this one. Pretty easy. I got to build. That's just a placeholder video. I got to build my own video. Pretty happy with this. So I started building already, and this was a template. So I bought. ClickFunnels has an awesome deal. I'll actually put the link for this in the description as well. You can buy it's something like 100 different funnel templates for $1. You can get it for $1. So this was one of them, and I'm like, just one. If you use one of them, it's worth $1. So I'm going to put that in the description as well. A link for that for the $1 funnel offer. But this is really good. I do want to change the color on this. I think so to build everything with speed, right? To get it done, I'll get it done, and then later I'll go back and make adjustments. But right now, I just want this done. This was the color scheme that they gave me with the template. That's fine. But I want to go with more branding colors, which is, for me, I like the black and red. But for now, we're just leaving it as is, right? Speed. Trying to go with speed. I'm going to keep saying this because it's important. You need to move with speed. Anyways. So, okay, yeah, I've done this. I customize it for myself. A little bit here. Okay, I've done this. I've added the pictures. And I think I got to here. Okay, yeah, so this is where I need to add in some videos. So this is part of my gigs on Fiverr. This is the one that seems to make me the most money. It's the most popular. It's where I do the screen share. But I think I'm gonna grab so I'm gonna grab some review screenshots and bring them over. Get about, I don't know, we'll do 6, I guess. So we're gonna pick a row. I'm gonna go with the 2 columns just like we had here. And then I'm going to add element, and that's going to be an image, right? Over here, you can pick different images. I'm going to pick that image element, right? And then what I want to do is I'm going to upload the images that I just took. So I want to go to upload images. I have to keep moving my face around. All right, hang on so you can see them. So yeah, we're looking for the screenshots I just took. Was that today? Yeah, that was today. So I'm going to go with all these screenshots right here. I'm going to open them up, and it should load them. All right, there we go. So I'm going to start. Should I start with this one? Doom. Okay. Let's do. So now we're going to do another image. We're going to do this image. I'm going to come over and pick one. Let's go with this one. I'm going to lose track because I'm doing it this way, but it is what it is. I don't know if I should do another row or just put them right under each other. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to add another image. We'll see how it turns out. So I want kind of like a smaller one now. Let's do this one. Yeah, I like it. I think I like it like this. Image. I'm trying to get another small one. Okay, we're kind of evening up. Let's do another image. I might want to make these separate rows because on mobile it might not look as good. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, sometimes you have to go back and forth and check mobile and see the way it comes out. Check out what it's like to work. Check out what it is like to work with Nick. I'm just going to say Nick. Let's make that a little bit bigger. So I'll adjust the size. It's already XL. So we're going to click override and we're going to make that a little bit bigger. That's fine. I don't have any claims to what everybody's making, so I'll go ahead and delete that. And then I think this is where I want to put these video sections. So I want to move. I mean, I could erase them and just make new ones, but I'm just gonna move these down. God damn it. Honestly, I'm just gonna make new ones because this is getting to be a big pain in my butt. All right, now I'm just gonna duplicate this. My goodness gracious, give me the... I'll just do 4 for now. And then I'm going to delete these. Alright, don't forget to click save. You got to click save a lot of times too. I'll come down here and I'll build this out, this value. The value stack. This is where you add up all your bonuses, everything they're going to get. And you put that in there. So that was like the main part inside of Clickfunnels, the sales page. It's pretty much what I do. Build a map, then start building the sales page. I realized that I have to edit a couple of videos just to put them in the sales page, in those video slots. And I have to finish editing this video before I can do those videos anyways. Long story short, I'm going to create a second video where you can watch the rest of the build going on if you want. And you can click that here on the end screen, or you can also use one of the links down below. And if you join the email list, I'll definitely going to put this video out so that you can see it. Probably in the Facebook group. I just don't have that Facebook group built yet, but it should be right here on the end screen. If not, use the link down in the description, join the email list, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.